Wait, hold on. Wait. What lace? Where is it? Oh, that's right. Oh, there it is. Huh? It's just today I am very excited because I think I did a little thing. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. You already know it's wig season, so I'm just here to provide. I'm just the messenger, okay? So we're gonna get into this video right now. All right, you guys, so let's get into all the details of this wig really quick. All right, so we've got a kinky straight girl. What I love about kinky straight, it's not too silky, so it definitely mimics what our hair would look like when we get a silk press. This gives you more of a little natural, realistic look. I believe this is 20 inches, but I'll leave all the information in the description box in case some of my stuff is a little off. So this is a glueless wig, so it's already pre-cut. This is what it looks like on my skin. I'm just gonna add a little bit of my foundation shade, or you know, my Ruby Kisses like I always do. They got the band for security in the back, and they have a few combs in the insides as well. All right, so let's put this on my head. I know that's what you guys are waiting for. How long do y'all been having y'all braids in when it's wig season? Like, do you wash your hair like every 2 weeks still and redo your braids, or you just let it ride out till dawn? Because these been riding out, I'm trying to tell you. I am washing my hair this week though because it's time for some braids. I can't even lie to you. If you're not new here, you know what time it is. But if you are new here, Ruby Kisses color 16 for the dark skin girls. It's gonna do it for you every time. I put it on my wig cap and then I put it on the lace of the wig as well. Oh, this wig cap, this wig size fits nice. Hold it onto my scalp, okay? Hold it on. You're cute. I'm gonna blend this part with my skin a little bit more. Just a little bit, because it's giving it ashy, just a tad. Where'd she go? Can you guys see her? Huh? Where'd the lace go? Oh, there she is. Okay, all right. Very good. All right, so let's brush this out. All right, so this hair definitely has some bumps in it because it was squished up in the package. So we're gonna straighten this out and see what it gives. I wanna see how I wanna style it. I'm not sure yet. Definitely wanna cut some layers into her because she's not framing my face very well. Not framing, so let's straighten this really quick and then see how we can like make it personal to like my face, my style, you know, make it cute. So I'm gonna use my Conair straightener and I'm gonna go on all the way up to 410 degrees. Because the great thing about wigs is that this is human hair, but it's not my human hair. So I could go as high as I want to. Just a little pro tip. Is this in the middle of my head? Does this look slanted? Let's get you in the middle. Middle part bust down, okay? Not side part bust down. That's better. Just a pro tip, when you have like kinks like this, for me, I like to spray it with water to help it come out much easier because I don't feel like tussling and fighting with this hair. So I'm gonna spray it down with water. Not soaking wet, but just a little damp so that, for me, I feel like it works better to straighten the hair when it has like a lot of kinks like this. Or you can blow dry it straight first and then straighten it, but it does take much longer for me when it's just like not compromised at all. All right, and now I'm gonna straighten the hair. Do you ever just know that like a wig is going to hit before you even do anything? Like, I haven't even done anything yet and I'm looking at myself like, cute, you know? And the top's already nice and flat. Like, you're sitting so flat on my head. I'm excited for this one. I haven't had a straight wig in a while, so I'm geeking out. Okay. Let's flat iron this hair. Okay, so this is the hair all flat ironed out. This hair flat irons like a dream, babes. She looks good, okay? So now all I'm really gonna do is customize this hair a little bit. So like I said, I was gonna put in some layers. Do I know what I'm doing? No, but I've seen enough tutorials to know that it can't be that hard. What do people do again? Pieces up here. Maybe a little bit more. No, I don't like it. I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm just going to hold this out and then kind of like cut downwards. There we have it. I think the hardest part for me is getting the other side to match perfectly. Right around here. It's so much harder to do it with this hand. It's close enough. Okay, now I think I'm just going to curl my hair just to give it a little bit more body and have a little bit more fun with it. I'm not really feeling like straight, bone straight middle part bust down. It's giving, let's add some curly curls, some little flair, but like nice soft curls, you know? All right, so I'm gonna take the front piece and we are going to curl it like this. Like so. So we have it like this, and then let's add in a roller, like so. And then the rest I'm just going to like flip around with my flat iron and hope and pray for the best. All right, so my hair is all curled up. I'm a little nervous. I always get confused on how to curl like the front part because like this is just a little OD. Like why do you look so like, you know what I mean? Should I curl it a different way? I'm gonna recurl this front piece. I'm gonna go this way instead. And then I'm gonna put on a little bit of a face just so I can give you guys the full vibes. Cause you know, the hair is not really done until the makeup's done. You know what I'm saying? Except to all my natural girlies who don't wear makeup, you guys are gorgeous, stunning, marvelous, beautiful. But I'm gonna recurl this piece and then I'm gonna put on just a little bit. And then we're gonna comb this out and see if this actually worked out. We're experiencing this together, okay? That's better. All right, let's do this face and then I'll be right back. All right, it's time to comb these out. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and we're just gonna do this and hope for the best. So far so good. Looks like a piece back here is struggling. This looks good. All right, period. Comb this side out. Yes, it looks good. All right, and now for this part. Wait, hold on. Wait. I've never done that before. That's cute. No way. I always wondered how people did that. That looks so good. I think the only thing I would have changed is to like make some more layers throughout like the sides here too. But that's gonna be for another day. But wow. I don't know why I just feel like I just did something. Okay, well. Wait, let's just do like one more down so we can like hit the off the shoulder type thing. How do the girls do it? Yeah, so this is the look. I really think the whole this and curling it upwards, that is like, that really took the cake for me because it really just has the front sitting so cute. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with me right now. Okay, anyways, before I get too carried away, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. It laid extremely flat on my head. I didn't even have to use a hot comb, and I normally do. And what lace? Where is it? Oh, that's right. Oh, there it is. Huh? I am pleased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.